Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the cause and updating Chrome. This reduces false positives and fixes misclassified behavior. First, check the version under Help About and install any update. Next, reproduce the action that triggered the protection and note whether it was a download, a site, or an extension. This tells you where to focus. Once done, export or backup your profile preferences. Make sure to also check for managed device policies that can override local changes. Now, carefully adjust safe browsing so the browser matches your risk tolerance while understanding the trade-offs. Open Privacy and Security, find Safe Browsing, and select Standard or Enhanced for protection. Only choose No Protection if you fully understand the exposure. If a legitimate site or download is blocked, add it to exceptions or allow it temporarily. This targets the issue without disabling broader safeguards. Also review downloaded files in quarantine and note why they were flagged to prevent recurrence. Finish by restarting Chrome and redoing the previously blocked action to confirm that your adjustments worked. This verifies the problem is resolved. If you still see blocks, check extensions and disable any security or privacy add-ons that may conflict, then test again. As a last step, reset Chrome settings to defaults if misconfiguration persists, and if this is a managed device, contact IT. Troubleshooting tip: if a file remains blocked, scan it with multiple reputable antivirus engines rather than turning off protections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.